Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the SimPure brand, their Y7P-BW, their countertop 5-stage reverse osmosis water filter system, plus ultraviolet sanitation is used also. It's NSF/ANSI 58 certified. There's no under sink installations. And I'm also going to show on the right there the replacement cartridges you can get separately after you use the one that this comes with after about 6 months. Real stylish looking unit. Before I begin, I want to show you how this was all packaged so you get an idea of how it was all protected, box within a box, and foam all wrapped up nicely so that it comes to your front door in perfect condition. This thing right here is really cool. This is the little water plate. It's got powerful magnets on there and it just goes right in place. And that's nice so that you can just take this away and clean it and get any excess water if you get any spills. This is the spigot right here. There is a pumping system on here, and that's really unique that it has the ultraviolet so that you get the filtration plus the sanitation. And it does have a really nicely written instruction manual. Now, this gets over 330 excellent customer Amazon ratings, and it uses that's certified by STS. Indicates that a reverse osmosis system, the system was verified by an independent lab to meet stringent North American standards for reducing contaminants like TVS, heavy metals, lead, arsenic, and PFAS and PFOAs. It guarantees that the system's structural integrity, material safety, and performance in turning tap water into purified, safe drinking water. So that's an important certification that it has. And that's why over 330 people have given this thing an excellent customer ratings. And it's pretty rare to see no poor ratings of a product on Amazon. And again, there's no under sink installation of this. Now this system will provide you about 528 gallons of purified water, which is approximately 6,000 bottled waters. So when you do a calculation and see what you're paying for bottled waters, this is actually very cost effective to use, and it's simple to put on your counter and power it. You essentially fill up the back reservoir with water like it's a coffee pot, but it holds a decent amount of water. The UV purification, it uses no chemicals, it emits absolutely no byproducts, and it's essentially a light, a specific wavelength that will help improve the quality of the water. And again, you don't have to worry about going under your sink and taking everything apart. It's all on top, and they made it look really nice looking too. That's why they're calling it a desktop purification system. So we're also going to show a couple of different things. Before I forget, this company's been around since 2006, and they're in Seattle, Washington. So it's a great American company that you can trust, and that's what you want when you're talking about something like water and the quality of water in your home. So we're going to be testing this out, and I'm going to show you how to do any simple maintenance that's required on it. So this is the side view of it, and you can see a view of the large tank in there that's going to hold your tap water, and this is where it's going to be processed. So the water reservoir, you just take this right here, you push slightly, and it opens up, access to the water tank. You see it has a handle on there, so you can easily bring this to your sink and fill it up with tap water. On the bottom of the tank, you can see it's got the seals right there, and where the water goes in and it's being filtered. And on the bottom of the unit, it has the receptor sections that bring the water in to the filter system. Now, when the system is brand new and you haven't used it yet, they do have a description in the manual of how to do a flushing. We're going to do that flushing because it's all brand new. Also, if you're going to not be using this system for a couple of weeks or a month, you go on vacation, you should remove the cartridges and put them in your refrigerator wrapped up in plastic so that they don't get any mold built up inside them. There is styrofoam on the bottom here. You want to remove that. Filters get removed by lifting each one up and turning counterclockwise. And it pops right out. And installing is the opposite. You want to put it in there and you want to turn it clockwise. And you see those little alignment tabs right there? and then you just put it back in place. And you always want to put the CF on the left and the RO on the right. So you have the water tank ready for the flushing for the first time use. There's the maximum line right there. So you can see I'm slightly below the maximum line. I'm going to close the cover, and I'm going to plug the unit into 120 volts. And you can see as I plugged it in, it's starting to take in some of the water in the pump. And you can see the real high-tech looking display. So you can just say it says that there's pure water shortage because it hasn't filtered the water yet. It's just getting it into the feed tank at this point. In this process, the manual says that take about 9 to 10 minutes. Now for this first flushing, I just put a large container so that we can collect the water during the flushing operation. Anytime the display you want to turn on, you just touch the button there. Now we're going to hit the flushing button, which is going to send water down into my little temporary holder. What this is doing is emptying the reservoir where the filtered water is. So I realized I had too small of a container, so I got a bigger high-res container. Now the manual says that you can repeat these steps that I just showed for a couple times depending on your feed water quality. We have really good quality, so I'm only going to do it 1 or 2 times, but you could do it 3 to 5 times, and then it'll just make sure that your filtering system is all cleared out and ready to use. So we're doing it again, just for demonstration purposes. This is the second flush that I'm going to do. So here, because I flushed several times, you see how it's blinking change water. So now I have to put new water in the feed tank in the back, and then I can continue. Now once you're using this for a couple of months, you want to keep it running efficiently. So the manual talks about the feed water tank. You want to make sure that you clean that tank. There are stainless steel strainers that you're going to clean. And if you ever see it slowing up, recommended setting system where you're going to put water or some citric acid powder or vinegar, and they tell you the amount that you're going to use, and you're going to be flushing the system out, which will clean all the connections from the feed tank through. Anytime you've changed the filters, you can hit the reset button right there, and that will actually reset it once you have the water back and filled in the feed tank. So I put more water into the feed tank. Now we're going to be testing it out. I've got a small cup right there. I think it's about 6 or 8 ounces, and one of the lower settings is 6 ounces. Here is the input water, the feed water, and I have a tester, and we're going to put that in the water to see what the water level is. So you can see it's 240 parts per million, and that is measuring the parts per million of the feed water. Now we're going to compare that to what comes out of the SimPure system. So we're going to put this on 6 ounces. It's so cool how it dispenses it. It's like you're at a restaurant and you're dispensing water or drinks, sodas. Okay, so that put the right amount in there. So that was an 8-ounce cup. Now let's turn the sensor on again, reset it. Let's do a comparison right here. So look at the difference, 21 parts per million. That's a really, really good amount of filtration. So when this was running, the UV light was on also, showing me that it was using UV light at the same time. So very impressive, because simple to use, and this allows you to get perfectly filtered, delicious filtered drinking water. So here it is set up in our kitchen, and look how nice that it looks on our counter. It's near the sink, so it's easy to fill the feed water up quite easily. So after testing, what do I think about the SimPure, the Y7P-BW Countertop 5-stage reverse osmosis water filter system with ultraviolet light? Really nice product. I love the way it looks. My wife loves the way it looks. She loves the way it operates. And we're going to be using this to have delicious filtered water for our family. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.